In front of me is DOOGEE S Punk, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Apps. Then scroll down to choose Cloned Apps and use this plus next to the one that you wish to clone. Select Create and wait. So now when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings, hit Apps, select Cloned Apps again, and this time use this bin icon next to the cloned one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!